Okay, good evening, everyone. Salamat petang semua. Since we have a different background, okay, some of you might have studied Bahasa Malay as a subject, right, for international or foreign students. Some also have not been exposed yet. So I chose to begin from the basics, so that we go through as the week, the days and weeks progresses, then we shall do more and more. Yeah. The plan I choose to start with the basic like numbers, some verbs. Later I will do something I call lexis and structures, which we can take. Let's say a school. We learn everything in the school. Let's say hospital, market, all the vocabulary. If you remember in Ghana, our GC English, we have this lexis and structures. Yeah. So today we are starting with the basic. We will do for about 30 to 40 minutes. Language shouldn't be so long, all right? Otherwise it will be boring. Yeah. Okay, so, all right. We begin with numbers. Is my slide clear for you? Can you read?
Yes, please.
Okay, so we start with the English numbers and Malay numbers. Actually, we all know some of you, right? The one is satu, right? We all know. Two is dua. But it's not dua, dua, dua. You cannot say dua. You have to make your tongue somehow soft, yeah? Soft. Dua. Okay? If you say dua, it's wrong, Dua. Okay, number two. One is satu. And then three is tiga. It's not tiga. It's not the, it's tiga. Tiga. If you say tiga, some of them will laugh at you. But don't worry. When you learn language, you have to be ready for that. And with that, you learn. Okay? Yeah. So it's tiga. Three is tiga. And then four, empat. But some Malay, some olden Malay or classic Malay, they will say empat. You hear some of them say empat, okay? But it's empat, four, empat. And then five, lima. Bukan lima, lima. It's not ma, lima. Okay, lima. And then six, normally when they speak six, they will say nam. They won't say enam, They will say nam when they speak. As you mix with Malays, you see here, but it's enam. But when they put in speaking in everyday language, they say nam. The E like becomes silent, Six, enam. And then seven, tujuh, tujuh, jo. It's not tujuh, The sound here is like O sound, tujuh. It's not tujuh, tujuh, tujuh. And then eight, lapan. Lapan is very simple, lapan. Nine, sembilan, sembilan. 10, sepuluh, sepuluh, not sepuluh, 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 sepuluh. It's not sepuluh, sepuluh, sepuluh. And then 11, sebelas, 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 11. Can any of you want to repeat the numbers here? Anybody who want to volunteer? Maybe the old guys in Malaysia. Yeah, anybody want to volunteer? Yeah.
I want to volunteer and try.
Okay, what's your name, please?
I'm Richard. Richard.
Okay, Richard. Okay, please.
Okay. Satu.
Okay.
Dua.
Okay, dua, very good.
Tiga.
Okay, very good.
Empat.
No. How about the three? I didn't hear the three. Can you louder, please?
The three is tiga.
Tiga. Okay.
Tiga. Okay, tiga. Empat. Lima.
Okay.
Enam.
All right.
Tujuh.
Okay.
Lapan.
All right.
Sembilan.
Okay.
Sepuluh.
Okay.
Sepuluh. Sebelas.
Okay, very good. Okay, yeah. Like I said, today is just like to sweep the floor, So let's move. Can I move on? Or anybody want to try? How about the ladies there in the class, in the house, want to try? Or any other man want to try?
Okay, Prof, let me try.
Okay, good. Okay, who's speaking?
Orhan.
Okay, that too. Okay, okay, that. Okay.
Okay, satu,
All right.
dua,
Okay, very good.
tiga,
Dua.
empat,
All right.
lima,
Okay.
enam,
All right.
tujuh,
Okay.
lapan,
All right.
sembilan,
Okay.
sepuluh,
Okay. Slow.
sebelas.
Okay, sebelah. Okay, actually, one thing I want to share with us, because I think it's one of the reasons for this class. When we learn a language, definitely, most of us, even including me until now, some of the words we cannot actually pronounce like the locals. Okay, they are born with it. All right. Okay, and mostly some of our language, our tongue is quite hard. Okay, it's not that soft. But so it doesn't matter as long as there is communication. That's one thing we should know. So don't be afraid to, because Malay language, when you make a mistake, the meaning doesn't change. If it's Chinese, those who study Chinese, you pronounce small thing, the meaning change, right? Is it Chinese, yeah, or even Arabic? Those people like Dr. One is an Arab specialist, okay? But with Malay language, you are safe. The meaning doesn't change just because you make what do you call it, wrong pronunciation. So you are somehow safe with Malay language. So don't worry about pronunciation mistakes. They understand. I mean, we are not locals here. As time goes, as long as there is communication. All right. Okay. Shall we proceed? Okay. Still with the numbers. We continue with 12. 12 is 12, 13, 13. There's a message here. What is it? Somebody chatting. Amin. Yeah, somebody asked a very good question. Yeah, you are right. 0 is a Koson. Koson. K-O-S-O-N-G. 0. Koson. Koson. The G is silent, silent. Like in English also, we have some silent letters, in English language as well, yeah? Like W-E-G-H, way. We don't say way again, way. So in Malay also, they have silent letters. K-O-S-O-N-G, Koson, Koson. All right, so 12 is 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Okay, 20, 20. From 20, 20, okay, for example, who know 30? Anybody can tell me 30? 20, 20. What about 30? Anybody? 30 is what? Hello? What is 30?
30 is 30.
Very good. 30 is 30. Thank you. Yeah. So 40?
40.
40. Very good. 50?
50.
50. All of them, just add the what do you call it? The alphabet 1 to 9. Like for example, so 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Ratus. Ratus ini, if you want to say 100, okay, they will say Seratus, Sir, S-E, Seratus. But in the official language, it's Saturatus. But when they speak the normal spoken language, they say Seratus, Seratus, Seratus. They don't say Saturatus, okay? Seratus, Sir. The S-E represent the Satu, Seratus. Or Ratut is 100, Ratus. And then 1,000 is Satu Ribu. 1,000, Satu Ribu. If 2,000 is what? Anybody know 2,000? Anybody? 2,000?
2000.
Very good. 3,000?
Tigaribu.
Yeah, we can speak together very good. And then 4,000, yeah, until like Mparibu, Limaribu, Namribu, Tujuribu, Lapanribu, Smularibu, and then Spulo Ribu. Okay, and then million is what? Juta, Satu Juta. Okay, can anybody use any of these numbers to make a simple sentence? Please, either use Malaysian ringgit or you use Ghana CD. Anybody want to try? Simple sentence using dua belas, empat belas, 20, the one we see on your screen now. Any number is okay. Anybody? The floor is open. Let's try. Participative class. Let's participate. Nobody want to try? Okay, let's say for example, you want to buy a laptop. Okay, anybody know the price of laptop now? Laptop, anybody? Laptop? How much is laptop? Any price you want to give for laptop? 3,000, yeah?
3,000 ringgit. Yeah, 3,500 ringgit.
Tigapulo.
So you can say 3,500 ringgit Malaysia. 3,500 ringgit Malaysia. Okay. Laptop ini harga dia harga. Okay, we come to that later. Maybe it will be tough for some of you. Let's slow down. Harga meaning price. Okay. Berapa? Then the
How
person
much?
will how much? Very good. So berapa? Normally he will not tell you harga. He just tell you directly. Berapa? How much? 3,500 ringgit Malaysia. Okay. Or you just tell you 3,500. Berapa? Berapa? How much? You just mentioned the price. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on.
Hello,
Okay.
Prof.
Yeah. Please. Any questions?
From 11 to let's say 19.
Okay.
Like we add bilas to it, like dua bilas. So from 21, how are we going to structure it?
Oh yeah, okay. Let me. Yeah, very good. Yeah, I like this question. You see, if you ask, okay, very good. I see. I didn't. Let me see. I don't have. Okay, let's do that one. Yeah, from 20. Are you with me? 20 is duaplo, right? Okay.
They don't compete.
Duaplo.
I want to hear.
Okay, 21, right? You mean 21, right? 21 is
Yes, please.
duaplo satu. I repeat, duaplo satu. Now, please, maybe if you have your pen and paper, please, please, yeah. So duaplo satu, 21, okay. 22, duaplo dua. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear.
Yes, 23 is 22 duaplo dua. 23 duaplo tiga. So just add the 1 to 9 there. I repeat.
Okay.
So duaplo satu, duaplo dua, duaplo tiga, duaplo empat, until duaplo sembilan. The next will be 30, right? The same thing also. 30 satu. Yes. Very good. Please ask question. You ask question that I can explain more. Yeah. Thank you very much. Who asked the question just now? Who is this?
It's Richard. Richard.
Okay, very active Richard. Okay, thank you. All right. Now we go to this. What do you call it? These numbers. Like first. Okay. Has anybody know Pertama complex in Kuala Lumpur? Pertama complex. Have you been there? Anybody? Hello, Pertama complex.
Yes, bro.
Yes. Do you know Sogo, right? Sogo.
Yeah.
Okay. Pertama complex is the first complex in Malaysia. When I came to Malaysia, 1990, there was Pertama complex. Okay, listen carefully. Ampang Park, and there's one complex in Subang Parade in Subang. Okay. So, Pertama complex, Subang Parade, and then Ampang Park. So, Pertama complex meaning one of the first complex in Malaysia, Pertama complex. So, second is Hold on a minute. Okay, all right, sorry. Somebody came. So I just spoke Malay now. Okay, good. So we have this second kedua, third ketiga, fourth keempat, fifth kelima, sixth keenam, seventh ketujuh, eighth ke-8, ninth ke-9, 10th ke-10, and then 11th ke-11. Okay, like I'm the first. Saya adalah orang pertama. Okay. Dr. Muntaka adalah orang kedua. Contoh, contoh meaning example. Contoh, contoh ya. Alright. Richard adalah nombor keempat. Richard. Malam Haruna nombor ke-7. Francis Amiau nombor pertama. Mr. George nombor kedua. Something like that. Alright.
Okay, so minta maaf Prof, ada soalan dalam chat box.
Okay, let me check. Sekejap, mana chat box-nya? Sedang dicari. Kita nak tunjuk pula. What is it? Where's my chat box is not showing. Oh. Hold on, let me try to get this. Okay.
1.200.
Okay, 1.215. Yes, very correct. 1.215. Excellent. Mr. Forsin, you are right. Okay? Yeah, 1.215 is correct. Yes. Okay, we also have this once sekali. Saya pergi pertama kompleks sekali. Okay, meaning I went to pertama kompleks only once. Okay, saya pernah pergi pertama kompleks sekali. Okay, pernah pergi pertama kompleks sekali. Or Sogo sekali. Pergi Sogo sekali. You can speak in a very simple way. Pergi Sogo sekali. I went to Sogo only once. Oh, saya pergi URA 2 kali. Okay, contoh example. Setiap hari saya makan 2 kali. Setiap hari saya makan 2 kali. Meaning every day I eat 2 times. Okay, all right. Setiap, but most of us eat 3 times, right? Breakfast, okay. Sarapan pagi. I repeat, sarapan is breakfast. SARAPAN, sarapan. Okay, sarapan. Sarapan, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So saya makan 3 kali sehari. I repeat, saya makan 3 kali sehari. Mr. George, can you repeat? Saya makan 3 kali sehari. Mr. George, are you there? Okay, let's move on. Any question? Anybody want to try the sentence about makan Makan meaning eat, eat. Makan, I eat. Anybody want to try? Saya, you can follow me. Saya makan 3 kali sehari. Who want to try? Mr. Richard?
I tried.
Okay, try please.
Saya makan 3 kali sehari.
Very excellent. Saya makan. Maybe you can add nasi. Nasi meaning rice or fufu.
Right.
Ghana we like fufu or two. Saya makan fufu. Maybe sekali. Saya makan fufu sekali sehari. I eat fufu once in a day. Maybe afternoon or evening I eat fufu. So I can say that saya makan fufu sekali sehari. I repeat, saya makan fufu sekali sehari. All right. Anyone want to try? Oh, yeah. Hello.
What's the sehari? What's the meaning?
Can you speak louder? I cannot hear you.
What's the meaning for sehari?
Like your voice is, let me. Oh, is it my speaker? My speaker, I think is high, right? I cannot hear you.
I think it should be your speaker.
I can hear you very loud. The Muntaka.
Oh, okay.
I hear you
She
very,
said
very
the-
loud. Maybe your speaker.
Yeah, she
Let's
said
say-
the meaning of Sahari.
Sehari meaning one in a day, one day. Sehari. One day. SEHARI. Instead of Satu, we say Sehari. Instead of Satuhari, when we speak Sehari. Okay? Meaning in a day, daily, in a day. Sehari. Saya makan fufu sekali sehari. SEHARI. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now we go on with any question with the numbers, or maybe later we can ask questions. We try later. We try. Okay. Human body. Human body. Okay. Arm. We use the term lengan. I repeat, lengan, ngan. Malay word, they have this ngan. When I came here first time, I have problem with, I would say lengan. I repeat, lengan is wrong. It's lengan, ngan. Like a baby crying, lengan. Okay, because N and G together become lengan, not lengan. Okay. And then back, your back is blackan. Blackan here, used for back of the house, also used for the back of human body. For example, blackan rumah saya. I repeat, blackan rumah saya. Anybody know the meaning of this? Blackan rumah saya. Anybody know the meaning? Please try.
Is it behind my house or room?
Belakang rumah saya.
At the back of my house
Say
or
again. Yes, very excellent. Who's speaking?
Irajo?
Okay, I think you are doing well. Your Malay should be good. Yeah. So belakang, belakang rumah saya ada pokok nim tree, right? Nim tree, very common in Ghana. Here they call pokok nim. Pokok is tree. We'll come on to that later. Pokok nim. So belakang rumah saya ada kereta. Kereta meaning car, right? Car, kereta, car. Belakang rumah saya ada kereta. Belakang also can be back of your your body, right? Your body back, belakang as your back of your body. And then cheeks is what? Pipi. Your cheek, pipi. Chest is dada. This dada, there's another dada. I think the spelling with H. I think the one with the drug, D-R-U-G. Hold on, let me ask my wife. What's spelling dada? Dada yang drug. Dada yang bahaya. Spelling ya. Dada bahaya. What is it? There's one dada is D-A-D-A-H. That one means drug. Drug. You know drug? like the funny drag, you know what I mean? The band drag, dada. But this dada is chest. And then chin is dagu. Dagu is our chest. Chin, dagu. And then ear, tilinga. I repeat, tilinga, nga, tilinga. We don't say tilinga. We don't say tilinga. Tilinga, nga. And then elbow, siku. Elbow, siku. I, mater. We don't say mata. Mater. We don't say mata. Bahasa Malay now becomes very soft. Those days, they call Malay baku. They pronounce mata. But now it's mater. And then face, muka. They don't say muka. Okay, muka. If you say muka, it's wrong. Muka. Of course, they understand what we mean, but okay. Face, muka. Finger, jari. Fingers, jari. Normally in Malay, they make plural by doubling the word. Yeah, they make plural by doubling the word. Some of them. But now, when you write officially, you write only one enough. But normally, they make plural by doubling the word. Okay? Foot, kaki. And then hair, rambut. Hand, tangan. Head, kepala. Heart, jantung. And then knee, lutut. And then tooth, gigi. All this you come across maybe when you go to the hospital or supermarket to buy your toothbrush, right? Your toothbrush and things like that, You come across them. Any question on this?
Just to ask.
Yes.
Sometimes when we go to buy food also, they have like telur dada.
Well, can you speak louder? It's raining in my end.
Oh, okay. Like telur dada.
So say again.
At the restaurant, they have some of the food they add dada to it.
They ask what? Oh my God. Hello? Maybe you want to type, maybe.
Hello, can you hear me? Okay,
maybe
all right.
Type.
Hello, Prof.
Uh,
The rain is very heavy here. My house here is no rain proof.
Hello, Prof.
Okay, let me see. Are you typing?
Hello, Prof.
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm listening.
I want to ask, do they use the same
Okay.
word for foot and leg?
Tilo dada, yeah, very good. This tilo dada, the spelling is different. Dada with R, We talk about dada, D-A-D-A, chest. Another dada is the drug, drug like cocaine, D-A-D-A-H, dada. This is dada. They pronounce almost the same, but different meaning. Tilo dada meaning the fried egg, fried egg. Tilo dada, fried egg. Yeah, another question for foot and leg, Foot and leg. It's heavy rain here, Just give me a minute,
Okay, sir.
Yeah, somebody asked, in Malay, both foot and leg, they still called kaki. But when we say saya pakai kasut, meaning we mean the kaki, the what do you call it? The foot one, right? The foot one. You pakai kasut, you wear shoe. Pakai
Okay.
kasut, you wear shoe. So in Malay,
Okay.
both leg and foot, they use the word kaki. Please, thank you for the
Kaki.
questions. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Prof.
Any more question on this? Okay, we'll move on. Okay, the next word is throat. Tekak. Tekak. You don't say tekak. The K is silent. The K is silent. Tekak. We don't say tekak. And then our thumb is ibu jari. You remember what is jari? Jari means finger, right? Finger. Ibu jari is the thumb. Ibu. Ibu is the name. Ibu also means mother. Ibu, Ibu means mother. So Malay call the thumb the mother of the fingers. Okay, Ibu jari. The thumb, Ibu jari. And then the toe is jari kaki. The finger on the fingers, they call the toe. Toe meaning your fingers on your foot. Jari kaki. And then tongue, leader. And then your tooth, gigi. All right. Do you know ubat gigi? Anybody know ubat gigi? Anybody know? What is ubat gigi? U-B-A-T, ubat gigi. Anybody know ubat gigi? The meaning?
Ubat medicine, right?
Say again.
So ubat is medicine.
No.
Oh,
I know, but
looking for
okay. But
toothpaste.
ubat gigi. Say again.
Is it
Toothpaste.
toothpaste?
Yeah, very good. Thank you very much. Ubat gigi means toothpaste, but you are right. Ubat means medicine. Ubat medicine. But when you say ubat gigi, become toothpaste. Ubat gigi become toothpaste. How about toothbrush? Anybody know toothbrush? Hello, toothbrush. Toothbrush is they call brush gigi. Brush gigi. They pronounce the brush in a different way. Okay, brush gigi. Toothbrush. There are some words the Malay also borrow from English. Okay, so they say brush gigi. And then stomach is our stomach. Any question in this one? Let me check. Okay, somebody asked, what is the name given to rice? Rice. Can I tell you a story, a real story happened to me? It's a big joke. I was staying in Ampan that time. I went to supermarket, okay? I saw rice, rice, meaning not cooked yet. I told the waitress that, saya nabeli nasi. Saya nabeli nasi. She said that, she told me, there is no nasi here, okay? Because normally we say rice, shinkafa, emo. But in Malaysia, they call the rice which is not cooked yet, they call bras, B-E-R-A-S, bras, B-E-R-A-S, bras. The rice which is not cooked yet. The moment it's cooked, become nasi. Are you with me, everybody? When you cook the rice, become nasi. If not cooked, it's called bras. B-E-R-A-S, bras. So don't go to the supermarket and say you want to buy nasi. They will laugh at you.
Okay.
Say, I want to buy bras. Okay?
Okay. Hello, Prof.
It's very heavy rain here. Oh my God. Bear
Okay.
with me. Heavy rain here at my end.
Okay. I want to know if
I
the
cannot
same
hear at
applies
all.
to.
Very heavy rain. Maybe you want to write in the chat section. Okay, somebody asked banana. For banana, the raw one and the fried one is the same, but it takes a different adjective. Adjective. For example, they call it gorim pisan. I repeat, gorim pisan. Gorim means fried banana. Okay, banana no different, same. Raw banana and fried banana, cooked banana is the same. They are all both pisan. Pisan.
Okay.
Yeah, plantain is called pisan tando. I will write here. Let me write. Please look at the chat, all of you. Pisan tando. Plantain tando. The K is silent K. Pisan tando. Silent K. Pisan tando. Actually, this tando means horn of a cow, horn of a sheep, horn. H-O-R-N, horn. So because this pisan, they look like it's a horn, horn. So pisan tando. The K is silent. Plantain is pisan tando. Plantain, pisan tando.
Tando. Okay. Horn banana. Okay.
Dr. Muntaka, maybe we stop here today. The rain is very heavy. Hello?
Yeah. It's already.
Because what I want to teach is very heavy. If I go over, it will not be good for them. They cannot hear me. Rain is very, very heavy rain here.
Hello, Prof.
Yes, Deborah, you are correct. Yeah, correct, Deborah.
Sehari a day, daily.
Terima kasih, Prof.
Saya berus gigi 2 kali sehari. I brush my teeth twice daily. Excellent, Deborah.
Saya.
Okay, what do you say, Mutaka? Dr. Mutaka, are you there? What do you say? Can we stop here for today?
Sure. Maybe if they have questions, then
I'll share the slide with you later.
Okay.
Very heavy rain here. We already have 40 here. Very heavy rain. Okay, thank you all.
Terima kasih.
See you next class.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Thank
Thank you.
Very, very heavy rain here.
Yeah, thank you, Prof.
Thank you.
And
Terima kasih.
actually, to our attendees, the session will be held every 2 weeks.
Hello, can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, the rain is very heavy. So inshallah, we continue on next session. Yeah, thank you everybody. Amin wa iyyakum. Amin. Thank you. Did we record the session, Dr. Mutaka?
Yeah, it's already recorded on the FB.
Maybe next session we may record next session, inshallah.
Yeah, this one was recorded. It's on the Facebook.
Oh, Chegu means teacher. Chegu means teacher, eh?
Chegu teacher.
Chegu means teacher.
Okay. Thank you.